Sanibonani babukeli emakhaya, siyanibingelela. Okhulumayo uMandla, uNdlangamandla, uMphazima, uNkosi, uSuwela. Insizwa enhle yaseMandlovini, iy'ntombi maziyibuka ziyashakazela, uma ezishela umbangazithe. Ngiyanibingelela nonke emakhaya, ngihamba nesitufuza sami, umama wasendlini, isithandwa sami, isidudla sami, umuntu owangithola satholana nje kungekho mnandi. Kodwa-ke namhlanje sithanda ukunibulisa ngegama likaJesu. Ngicela ukuthi abulise bese uyazichaza ukuthi ungubani wakabani.
Sanibonani babukeli emakhaya, igama lami nguGugu Ngwakandlangamandla Isibongo, kodwa sasekhaya nguMakhubu. Manje senguNdlangamandla ngoba sengithathiwe ubaba uNdlangamandla olapha phambi kwami, isithandwa sami, ismile keeper sami, ubhesti wami, uchomi. Hhayi, ukuhlangana kwethu kwakungekho mnandi, but by the grace of God, uNkulunkulu bekazi ukuthi wenzani. We are at a happy place now, a much better place. So sila to testify amandla kaNkulunkulu ukuthi whatever ehlanganiswa uNkulunkulu iba great and amazing.
Awu, wangisho kamnandi nkosikazi. What is smile keeper?
Yes.
Spoiled brat sikaNdlangamandla.
Yes.
Hhayi-ke babukeli, sesibuyile la sikhona. Uma ubheka i-background, it's not our studio, siseDurban la sikhona. I brought her for i-birthday yakhe, sahlala kamnandi eDurban. Namanje siseDurban, senza this video siseDurban. Number one, into esiza ngayo la ekhaya, sine channel lapha ku-YouTube, iGugu Media. One word, iGugu Media. If you search for it, ma ungaka subscribe lapho,
ulike, ushare, bese uyakhomenta.
Ngakho konke esizokhuluma ngakho namhlanje. Size la namhlanje siney'nhlelo-ke zintathu.
Yes.
Angithi sithando sami.
Yebo. Number one, sinobufakazi bokuqala, whereby we deal namakholwa, abafundisi, abantu nje ababe nejeni noNkulunkulu, whereby they come and testify ubufakazi babo noKristu ukuthi uJehova ngempela uyaphila, uyakhazimula, konke akushayo ezwini lakhe uyakugcina. Loko sikuthola kubantu abasilethela ubufakazi, basho bathi uJehova ubabonisile iy'manga, abanye basho ukuthi ubandlulisela la, wabajampisa la, wababonisa lokhu nalokhuya.
Number two, sinehlelo elithi My Partner, My Friend. Yileli-ke namhlanje esihleli ngalo olithi My Partner, My Friend, where we talk nabantu abashadile, nabantu abathandanayo, nabantu abanesikhathi eside bathandana kodwa kunzima ukuthi bathathane, balobolane. Siyabasiza-ke ukuthi mabahlangane baqhube uthando lukaNkulunkulu. Sifuna ukuqeda, inhloso yethu kahle kahle ukuthi siqede indaba yama-divorce, indaba yokuhlukana, ngoba uNkulunkulu uyakuzonda ukuhlukana. Njengoba sila namhlanje sifuna ukuveza lolo hlelo elithi My Partner, My Friend, okusho ukuthi umuntu engizwana naye oyipartner yami nguyena ongumngani wami. Angizu-entertain abanye abangani abangaphandle ngoba bazomosha lento enginayo. What is number three?
Number three, asikhulume mzansi. Lapho it's whereby we talk generally iy'nkinga zomphakathi, it could be umndeni oxabanayo, it could be indaba zogesi that you need to expose ukuthi okay, we are aware of this issue as thina siwumphakathi. How do we solve it? Indaba zabomasipala, indaba zayo yonke into that consists of umphakathi in general. Whatever problem maybe, you come, we discuss, sibone iy'ndlela zokuthi zilunga kanjani. Lezo-ke iy'nhlelo zethu, 3 of them. Asikhulume mzansi, My Partner, My Friend, ubufakazi bokuqala. Under i-channel yethu iGugu Media.
Yebo-ke asachazile-ke uMamndla ngamandla. Ngifuna ukusho ukuthi nazi iy'namba lapha enzansi kwi-screen sakho. It's 081 840 4502 noma 071 259 0621. Yilapho uzosithola khona zonke ley'namba eze-WhatsApp. Wena oney'nkinga especially lezi zomphakathi, ungabhalela lapho senze uhlelo, sihlale phansi sibone ukuthi inkinga yakho singayilungisa kanjani. Kodwa namhlanje asikho lapho. Namhlanje sisendabeni ya-my partner, my friend. How did you come up negama elithi my partner, my friend?
It came up in a simple way because mina as uGugu wakaMakhubo oseka wakandla ngamandla manje, angiyena umuntu wabangani. So I wanted a partner that was going to be my friend, engizoshare naye each and everything because I don't have friends. I don't like friends. Hhayi ngoba abangani bangekho, but simply because angibathandi, because I believe in making my own mistake, ngiy'khuze mina, ngizibone mina ukuthi manje uphaphalazile. So usually abangani, they convince us ey'ntweni ey'ningi ezi-wrong. It could be in any way, school-wise, relationship-wise, they always have a bad influence. So indaba my partner, my friend, it came up in that way ukuthi I want a husband that will be my friend, engizoshare naye, ngizule naye, ngenze yonke into in general naye, not umngani i-partner izoya emajiteni. Yes. Ngoba manje makaya emajiteni mina anginawo ukuthi ngiye emantombazaneni, anginawo. So I wanted someone like that.
Okay,
Yes.
ngiyakuzwa. Manje ngaphambi kokuthi siqhubeke, I want you to tell ababukeli ukuthi, did you really find your partner and really find your your friend?
Yes, yazi, it's more than a friend. He's like a brother, a father. You know, he's everything in general. Yeah, so I did because like wherever he goes, I am there. Kusho ukuthi ngiyafana nesikhiya emotweni. Isikhiya masingekho, imoto ngeke istarte. That is me.
Nizwile-ke bamameli emakhaya nani babukeli nonke ukuthi yes, indeed, she found her friend, she found her partner. Yeah, hence we said bokungekho mnandi uma siqala sihlangana because people were against uthando lethu, people were against whatever we are trying to put together because even both families, my family, her family, was not happy about ukuhlangana kwethu because they thought ukuthi this guy is older than you, this guy is gonna play with you, mhlawumbe izodlala ngawe, ingakuthandi, izokuchithela, maybe ushadile, maybe this, maybe that. Even my family, they were saying, umsapho umntwana omncane because uzothatha imali yakho, uya-understand mos, ufuna imali lo mntwana akafuni next. But ngendlela yokuthi sihlangene ngothando nangendlela esihlangene ngayo, it was amazing. Let me just sikele nje ipiece yokuthi sihlangene kanjani. It was one day on the 18th of May 2020 eRatanda, eHeidelberg, elokishini engihlala kulo. La bangazi khona uma bengibiza, bengithanda, bengibabaza, bengimemeza, bathi chicken, bathi malume chicken. Yonke into ungangibiza ngayo yonke into kodwa ibe no chicken phakathi. Yes, bangibiza bathi umalume chicken. Sahlangana-ke eShoprite. Masihlangana eShoprite, ngayibona intombi ngayithanda. Okwangimangaza kakhulu ukuthi wayefake imask ye-COVID, the time of the COVID, wayefake imask unkosikazi wami, by that time bekangakabi unkosikazi wami. I saw just a girl chubby eme kahle uyabona emhlophe. Yeah, ngiyabathanda abantu abamhlophe, angifuni omnyama njengami. Ngiyabathanda abantu abamhlophe. Yeah, ngase ngiyazitshela ukuthi this one is my wife. I have to make sure ukuthi ngiyamthola. Definitely sure I fought my way to her heart and then I won her. Ngamthola. Mese ngimtholile sisaqhubeka othandweni. The things azenza empilweni yami zangenza ukuthi ngibone ukuthi nangempela la angizokulahla imali yami uma ngithatha lo ntombazana ngimshada. Definitely sure I did it. And mind you, I don't regret. I don't regret. Now we are here to talk nabantu abashadile abahlangabezana ney'nkinga emshadweni. Awungitshele sithando sami. Now that we have introduced ourselves, wabonakala ukuthi mina nawe siyathandana. Awungitshele. What do you prefer uma ngabe mina nawe siyaxabana? Do you prefer to go home and tell your mom or your sisters or whoever ofuna ukumtshela ngokuthi namhlanje udlanga amandla ongihluphile, namhlanje wenze nje, and the reason? Uma ngabe uthi yes, what is the reason behind? Uma ngabe uthi no, what is the reason behind?
Okay, that's a very simple question. Whenever we argue, whenever we fight, whenever we don't see eye to eye, I don't believe at telling abantu bakithi, even my sisters or brothers or any muntu wakithi, because I believe that akusibone bakini abakithi. So lokho kwenza ukuthi whatever issue I bring to them izozwela kubo kakhulu, and they might not forgive you in future. Noma sengithi mina nawe sesi-right, they will have this bad version of you ukuthi siyacabana uyenza 1 2 3 4 5. Because I love you and I love them, I want to maintain the relationship yothando yokuthi everything is flowing and nice, so that they can continue give you the respect that you need and the love that you need. Because uma bakubonisa uthando, bakubonisa respect, leyo nto leyo ijabulisa mina uqobo. But uma manje mina sebazoshintsha indlela yokuphatha ngenxa yokuthi mina masiphambana ngibatshela ama-wrongs wakho, ama-weaknesses wakho, I am giving them an opportunity and a platform yokuthi bakudelele, bakutshele ubu-wrong bakho, bangakuhloniphi as my husband. But mina, if I keep things to ourselves, resolve thina without telling anyone, therefore I am protecting not only wena but i-relationship yethu, isidima sayo nesidima sakho as a man, it remains. Because now they cannot crucify you over something abayaziyo. But if ngizobatshela yonke into, I'm giving them a platform yokuthi behle bagibele phezu kwekhanda lakho, because now they know certain things ozenzayo ezingekho right, mhlawumbe ezingangijabulisi mina. So lokho kuzobe kubanika igunya lokuthi ba-interfere ne-relationship yethu. Kanti i-relationship yethu, it has nothing to do nabantu bangaphandle, because even when we met, it was just me and you. So asikho isidingo sokuthi manje mase singasajabuli lapha nalapha, people should know, because those people, they were never a part of i-relationship yethu from the beginning. Because noma sicala sazana, wangi-introduce wena, wangitshela wena ukuthi umuntu onjani, nami ngakutshela ngami ukuthi ngumuntu onjani. Abanye abantu bebangekho esayidini. So asikho isidingo sokuthi in future phambili sesiyaba-eda labo bantu labo, siyabafaka ey'ngxabaneni zethu, because ekugcineni marriage is about two people, not anyone else. Njengoba ngithi iBhayibheli lisho ukuthi two shall become one, indoda izoshiya abakubo inamathele kumkayo. So marriage, it's all about two people. That's what I believe in.
Yes, that means ukuthi ufuna ukuthi abalaleli noma ababukeli lapha ekhaya uma ngabe bahlangabezana nendaba zokuthi bayaphambana ngoba othandweni there is no way ningeke niphambane. USathane akalufuni uthando. Should it happen ukuthi baphambana othandweni, asikho isidingo sokuthi omunye ayoripota ekhaya komunye nomunye ayoripota ekhaya komunye.
Yes, angithi uma siphambana, uma si-argue, we don't argue for ukuthi like sifuna ukungabi right, but we argue ukuthi siye phambili. Sometimes we fight about izinto that will take us from this point to another, but at that present moment omunye wethu usuka angayiboni ngaleyo ndlela leyo. Yabona, it's not that we fighting because we have problems, but we are fighting to go forward. Because there was this one pastor who said uNkulunkulu mayenika umuntu wesilisa umlingani, angithi umsisi, wayemlethela ukuthi kuzoba nama-certain fights whereby umuntu wesifazane azowabona awalwise angavumelani nawo, because that is what is best for lowo muntu wesilisa. But because at that moment ngeke akubone lokho, but in future uyakhona ukubona ukuthi okay, I was fighting this, but this, it was the best for thina ukuthi siye phambili. Because in each and every relationship we argue in order for us to have a better future, a better reasoning, better everything. We don't fight for no reason, but we fight ukuthi izinto zisuke from one level to another.
Okay.
Yes.
Guys, in a simple ways, okusho ukuthi uma sixabana masixabanele ukuthi silungise izinto and sikwazi ukupick up bese siya phambili. Masingaxabaneli ukuthi siyahlukana. Remember, we are in episode here, my partner, my friend. We are trying to talk to ama-couples ukuthi how can you make a relationship yakho iqhubeke. Now there is this problem esinayo la eSouth Africa yokuthi kunama shows afana nabo niyathembana na, and then lama shows lawo abantu bakhuluma ukuthi siyathembana, and then they say can you exchange phones for 60 seconds. Unkosikazi wakho athathe ifoni yakho for 60 seconds, a-check ukuthi uchatta nabobani, nomyeni wakho athathe ifoni yakho for 60 seconds, a-check ukuthi ukhuluma nabobani, because nina nithi niyathandana, niyathembana. And then there is this question abayibuzayo ukuthi umuntu wakho umthemba kangakanani, in 100 umthemba kangakanani. Wena ungathi wena ungithemba kangakanani in 100?
In 100, I can say I trust you 100%.
100%.
Yeah, but I don't trust you as a person.
Okay.
100%.
Okay.
But I trust the God in you ukuthi iyasebenza in a form yokuthi it gives me the opportunity yokuthi ngikhona ukuthi ngiyakuthemba. Because ngithemba uNkulunkulu okuwe ukuthi he will guide you through the way, noma uyaphambuka noma wenzani, but because uNkulunkulu lokuwe ngimtrusta enough ukuthi uzokubonisa endleleni. Because iBhayibheli doesn't allow us ukuthi sithembe umuntu, but sithembe uNkulunkulu. So mina I trust the God in you ukuthi okay, my husband, he's a man of God, he's a child of God. Meaning akafani nomlisa nje ongazani noNkulunkulu, ukuthi noma enza izinto uzenza budedengu uzenza anyhow. But I believe in the God that is in you ukuthi I know ukuthi nasendleleni noma kuthiwa uyaphambuka, you remember isithembiso owasenza kuNkulunkulu. You remember ukuthi wena wama wathi uthatha uJesu njengomsindisi, uyamvuma empilweni yakho ukuthi akulawule through ama-decisions owathathayo nezinto ozenzayo. Meaning ukuthi noma ngabe amaphutha uyawenza, kodwa awuzi ukwenza amaphutha njengomuntu ongazali noNkulunkulu. Lokho kunginika ithemba, kunginika ukukholwa ukuthi awuzi ukungigila njanoma ngawumuphi umuntu, ngoba wena unoNkulunkulu phakathi kwakho ongeke akuvumele ukuthi wenze nanoma ngayini. Ngalokho ngithemba uNkulunkulu okuwe, angithembi wena.
Yay guys, uyalizwa ithemba lisukaphi?
Amen.
Yeah, I also trust you 100%.
Yes.
Yeah, ngiyakuthemba. I know ukuthi you are a woman of God, owazi ukwenza izinto ngendlela. Anyway, ungibonisile ukuthi uyathembakala.
Amen.
So kulula ukuthi ngikuthembe. Lalela-ke wena lapha ekhaya oshadile noma usaya emshadweni noma o-engagile, whoever one-plan, mamela, into efunekalayo la endleleni yomshado. Indlela yomshado ayifani nendlela yomjolo. Abantu mabakhuluma bathi umjolo uyanyisa. Kodwa umshado uyakha. The only thing ekhona emshadweni, it's a communication. Uma nikwazi ukucommunicate, angeke nihlale ningaphambani. Ningabe nisiqambela amanga nithi nina 15 years nihleli, it was just smooth. Or nina 5 months nithandana, ku-smooth. That means lolo thando lolo alikayi ndawo. Uthando yileli lokuthi umthanda umuntu ngisho senithethisene, sokungasesemnandi, kodwa kusale ukuthi lo muntu lona ngiyamthanda. Umthanda umuntu bekuthuka, bekuphoxa, bekutshela ukuthi wena umdala or wena umncane or wena umubi, wena umuhle, bekhuluma yonke into. Manje
Angithi uyasho umhlabeleli athi uJesu uyalalelwa noma isimo singavumi.
yes.
So nala endleleni yothando, isimo noma singakuvumeli, kodwa uqhubeka uthande within the situation, ngoba asizalwa ndawonye.
Okay.
Njengoba abantu bomuthi bathi awumbikwa ndawonye, nathi asizalwa ndawonye. Therefore indlela esikhuliswe ngayo iyahluka. That makes us ukuthi sizophambana ngey'nto ey'ningi, because wena probably ukhulekini nidla ngo-12 o'clock. Mina ngikhulekithi 8 o'clock siyadla. Lezo zinto lezo already they are too different. Uyangi-understand? So you have to ukuthi ube strong ngale ndlela leyo yokuthi kuba nento yokuthi wena you die within yourself ukuze ukhone ukutholakata the other person. Because if ungeke ubulale ezinye izinto oyithandayo noma ongazithandi, you won't win in marriage. That is why abafundisi bathi umshado it's a ministry, because kumele ukwazi ukudila nezimo zonke within the ministry of marriage. Angithi wena njengopastor uhola abantu abahlukile, different emotions, different attitudes, but because you were called by God ukuthi ubahole labantu, you have to ukuthi uba-attende bonke in a way that it will not harm them, it will not destroy them, but it will lead them endleleni kaNkulunkulu. Nala emshadweni abobaba bathembe uNkulunkulu ukuthi thina bazosinakekela ngendlela ekuyiyo enobuKristu phakathi. That is why bathi nina kufanele nisithande njengoba uKristu athanda ibandla. Ngoba u-understand uKristu ukuthi ibandla li-complicated, ibandla liyaduba, ibandla nalinikela, ibandla liyenza lokhu. But ngoba uyalithanda ibandla awusoze walidela noma likwenza kabi.
Hey bazali, yazi kunento engiyicabangayo ngisahleli la.
Amen.
Unkosikazi wami uthanda ukuthi mina angikwazi ukukhuluma. Kodwa uyamuzwa namhlanje ukuthi uyakhuluma. Yeah. Ngithanda kanje makakhuluma.
Yo Jesus.
Guys, what I want to say kini ukuthi endleleni yothando siyabekezelelana.
Amen.
Yeah, siyabekezelelana. Uyabona ngingamthatha unkosikazi ngihlale naye angangijabulisi, like mangimbheke ebusweni ngingajabuli, ngibuke sengathi ngibuke enye indoda. Angifuni ukuchaza-ke ukuthi kubangwa yini lokho. Kodwa ngingaphuma ngiye ngaphandle ngifike ngithole labo sisi laba abayipendayo abahle ukuthi nje mina ngaba nenhlanhla ngathola unkosikazi omuhle. Akayifaki-ke i-makeup, umuhle nje natural. Kodwa kukhona laba abafaka i-makeup uthola ukuthi bahle. Then bese ngiyafisa mina uku-cheat-ela unkosikazi wami ngomunye wabo labo abahle. The problem izostata kuphi? Angimjwayelanga lo muntu. Njengoba ngingamjwayelanga angimazi lo muntu. Njengoba ngingamazi lo muntu njalo mangihlangana naye muhle, upendile, u-right, muhle nje. Ngathi ngamthatha ngiyombeka somewhere. And then ngidicide mina ukulahla unkosikazi wami. Mangidicide ukulahla unkosikazi wami, ngilandela lo muntu omuhle. Khumbula mayesehlala la endlini, angeke athi evuka embhedeni abe sekayipendile emuhle. Noma ngabe muhle naturally, izinto azenzayo angeke zibe zinhle evuka embhedeni. Kunalabantu laba ababhilivela ukuthi asinama-toilet endlini, so we have to go out e-toilet masifuna ukuzikhulula, mhlawumbe ebusuku ngiphisiwe ngifuna ukuphuma ngiyochitha amanzi, kufanele ngiphumele ngaphandle. Then they decide, those sisters abahle, they decide ukuthi no, ithi ngifake i-emere endlini ngikwazi ukuzikhululela khona lapha endlini mangabe ngiphisiwe ebusuku. Angene endlini ne-emera azikhulule ngendlela yokuchitha amanzi. Abachitha amanzi ekuseni, uthole ukuthi yena kwakubo vele ujwayele ukuthi angawachithi amanzi awachithe kuye ebusuku. Angasheshe avuke ayowachitha ngaphandle kodwa wayeka ilanga lize lishone, mhlambe lize lithambame ilanga kuze kube ntambama. Wena njengendoda zizokucasula lezo zinto lezo. Yebo, muhle ebusweni mayesegezile, kodwa izinto azenzayo sometimes akandluli impela, sometimes akafuni ukukuphekela. Uma ngabe uyindoda ukwazi ukubekezelela lezo zinto lezo, yazi ukuthi loyo muntu umthanda ngempela. Kodwa uma uyindoda uhluleka ukubekezelela ukuthi akakhoni ukuchitha amanzi awachithe yena ebusuku, ahambe ayowachitha emini, nizoba nenkinga. Engishoyo ukuthi kuyabekezelelwana. Kunabantu abana-5 years, kunabantu abana-10 years, 20 years, 15 years, 30 years, 35 years basemshadweni. Hhayi ukuthi bandlule nje kumnandi, bokungasimnandi. This is the first episode esifuna ukuyiletha. Manje-ke sithi kini sizoba nama-conferences wama-couples.
Okay.
Sizoba nama-conferences wama-couples where we talk to ama-couples. Yes, kunabantu abazosibheka bathi hayi laba yikho into abazoyenza, yikho into abazoyisho. Kodwa mind you or believe you me, sizokumangaza. Sizosho, sizomemezela each and every time ukuthi bazalwane nayi into ekhona. Lalelani, asifuni abantu, okay, siyabadinga abantu abasindisiwe ukuthi beze, kodwa kakhulukazi sifuna labantu abangazani noKristu. Because abantu abangazani noKristu banayo indlela yokubekezelelana. So thina sifuna ukuthi sikhulise lokho kubekezelelana lokho. And then sesiya ngasemaphethelweni. Before siya ngasemaphethelweni, ngifuna ukusho ukuthi mthanda umuntu wakho, umenze abe umngani wakho.
Yes.
Uma ekukhathaza, hlala phansi ukhulume naye umtshele ukuthi sithandwa sami, lokhu nalokhu 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 angikuthandi.
Amen.
Khona into eyangichaza uma ngiya kulo mama ukuthi ngize ngimthathe abe unkosikazi wami. Ngafika kuye ngamtshela ngathi lalela, anginamali. Yes, benginganamali vele, bengina-40 rand e-akhawuntini yami, benginganamali. Ngamtshela ngathi anginamoto kodwa bengidrayiva imoto yami. Ngamtshela ngathi anginandlu kodwa bengihlala endlini yami. Kuko konke lokho azange athi uzongenzani, awunamali, awunandlu, awunamoto, uzongenzani. Kodwa wangena empilweni yami, watshengisa ukungithanda, sengibale ukuthi anginazo lezo zinto lezo. Lokho kwanginikeza mina i-guarantee yokuthi lo unkosikazi ongabheki izinto ze-material kodwa ofuna umshado. Nayo indaba ye-material iyakhathaza ngoba abantu, sithandwa sami, abasathandani ngaphandle kwe-material. Abantu bafuna i-material, umuntu athi imali onginikeza yona i-girlfriend allowance. I don't know where does it come from. I-girlfriend allowance awunginikezi. Yet ngapha usafuna ukuyolotsholwa, ufuna i-girlfriend allowance. That girlfriend allowance imali engabe ngiyayibeka ngiyomlobola.
You know, sometimes I think the problem okunye iba sebazalini.
Okay.
Yeah, because if umzali ungekho there for umntwana wakho 110%, uzohamba ayofuna lezo zinto lezo eziyi-material
Okay.
kwabanye abantu. Like i-provision comes from ama-parents wakho.
Okay.
I-provision from umuntu wesilisa starts when sekushada kenza unkosikazi.
Okay.
That is why futhi they hand over by ubaba to a husband. That tells you ukuthi now we are switching roles. Lo mntwana lo besimphakela simenzela konke. So njengoba sesimhanda over, i-responsibility sekweyakho, uyoqhubeka la sigcine khona, wenze even further.
Okay.
Mina, I didn't have a problem nokuthi uthi awusebenzi, awuna anything, yonke lento wayibala. Yet ngavuma ukuthandana nawe because abazali bami bangithandile enough, bangiprovide enough. So into ebengiyifuna uthando lomuntu engizobambisana naye empilweni, abe umngani wami, sishare izinto, i-future together, because I knew ukuthi angidingi umuntu onayo yonke into, number one, because I understood ukuthi if ngizothola a man who has everything ayidingayo, i-value yami ngeke ayibone.
Okay.
Into engizoyibringa to the table, njengoba bahlalo basho bathi what are you bringing to the table, angeke ibonakale because already unayo yonke into. So ispace sami nesidingo sami njengonkosikazi ngeke asibone. But I wanted someone engizoqala naye impilo so that azongivaluisha, because I think in life kuna this thing yokuthi I used to watch i-episode bathi i-Love Back.
Okay.
And then these guys would talk ukuthi, you know why ngibhedile ngayenza okuningi, but lo muntu lo wesifazane ngiyamfuna empilweni yami because wangithola in a certain stage ngingenaniksi, wangibeka la ngibeka khona.
Okay.
So ngiyamdinga empilweni yami because like ngiyabona ukuthi ngaphandle kwakhe, so I can't go further.
Okay.
Because kunalezi zinto mina ngangingazazi, ngangingaziboni, wangibonisa zona empilweni. So now if wena nawe self as a husband, you're gonna get umfazi onakho konke akudingayo, ubuhusband bakho nawe ngeke bubonakale. Uya understand, because already lo muntu unayo yonke into akancane, uyayibona.
Okay.
And then i-relationship yenu or even umshado wenu, uthando lwakhona cannot remain ngendlela leyo ukuthi niyasizana, because the purpose of God mayekathi uzokwenzela umsizi, bekafuna umuntu ozosizana naye. So if wena uthola umuntu kungukuthi awusadinge sizo vele, so right, unayo yonke into, so isidingo somfazi ngeke usibone. Noma umfazi enza kahle ngeke ubone because already wena uphushile, wenza konke, wafika inyelela la ufuna ukufika khona. So umntana abantu lo angeke umthathe njengomuntu obalekile, uzombona nje njengomnyento efana namanye wama-assets wakho, omunye wey'moto zakho, because already u-achievile. Uyayibona le ndaba? So umsizi, it's all about ukuthi ungithole in a certain level, ungibeke kwenye level, nawe ngikuthole in a certain level, ngikubeke kwenye level. Because now noma kuthiwa we argue, you think ukuthi okay, siyabheda manje, siyakhwakela, siyenzani. But when we look back la saqala khona up to here, then we see ukuthi this fight is not worth it. But if now ngizofika si-argue siyaphambana, then I brought nothing into your life. Uney'moto zakho eziwu-7, uhlala ku-mansion, unakho konke. The first word ongayikhipha ukuthi, you know what, just get out of my life, uyenza ibe complicated. Nami ngize nge-suitcase, I'll just push my suitcase and go back home. But if kunezinto esiyihlanganisile mina nawe from the beginning up until sibe la sikhona, you will see and understand ukuthi no, I cannot lose these things over this small thing. Then you can fix.
Okay.
That is why uNkulunkulu angasebenzi nge-finished product. That is why noma ufika kuyakuqala phansi, so that you will know ukuthi ukususephi wakubekaphi. So akufuneki ukuthi ufike kaNkulunkulu sowunakho konke ngoba ubufakazi ngeke ube nabo. Naye ngeke umbone, ngithi unakho konke, uzombona kanjani? So hence ngisho ukuthi umshado iyi-ministry on its own. Mawungathatha ukukholwa nomshado ukwenza into eyodwa, akukho okuzokuhlula. uNkulunkulu uzombona, umuntu omthandayo uzombona, ngoba noNkulunkulu uma ufika kuye uphelele uyakuchacha kuqale phansi ukuze nawe uyibone inkazimulo yakhe empilweni yakho. Yiko lokho engingakusho. Amen.
Yeah, wabeka mphazima. Yeah, wayibeka kwazwakala. Guys, siyabonga kusho ukuthi empilweni kubalulekile ukuthi uhloniphe umuntu onaye, kubalulekile ukuthi uyibone i-value yomuntu and make sure ukuthi umuntu wamtshela ukuthi uyamthanda awusaphindi uyotshela omunye umuntu ukuthi uyamthanda. Hlala naye umbekezelele, niyiphushe lento nize nazane. To make a person your partner, to make a person your friend, kudinga ukuthi sibekezelelane, sihloniphane, sazisane. Azi ifoni yami nami ngazi ifoni yakhe. It's not a matter of i-force, but makungathi ngiye bathroom ngiyogeza nefoni because ngicabanga ukuthi ubani uzofona, naye makapheka lapha ifoni ihleli la because acabanga ukuthi ubani uzofona. Into ebalulekile guys, ukuhloniphana, nokuthandana, nokwazisana. Umazisa umuntu wakho, ungabi namahloni nomuntu wakho because umuntu wakho angaba muhle ebusweni uthola ukuthi ume kabi inkekenyana. Uma umthanda uzomthanda enjalo, angeke uze uthi muhle mara angeke kusebenze lokho. Kodwa uma umthanda uzikhethele yena, mthande umuntu wakho, umhloniphe umuntu wakho.
Yes.
Guys, okay, before the last words engizomnikeza wona umama ukuthi asivalelise ngawo, what I want to say is to remind you about our YouTube channel Igugu Media, ukuthi kuney'nhlelo ezintathu ethi ubufakazi bokuqala, lapho sikhuluma khona nabafundisi, bese sithi My Partner My Friend, lapho sikhuluma khona ney'thandani nabantu abashadile nabasabheke emshadweni, bese segcina sithi Khuluma Mzansi, lapho khona sisolva khona, sizama sisizana sonke, sisolva iy'nkinga zomphakathi noma iy'nkinga zabantu abahlukahlukene. Kungaba ukuthi uhlushwa umasipala, kungaba ukuthi uhlushwa abodadewenu or abafowenu, noma i-community ophila kuyo. Please guys, contact us kule number 081 840 45 02 ne-071 259 0621. Then bese siyabuya bazalwane ukuthi siyacela kakhulu siphinde sisapote. Masisapoteni umsebenzi esiwenzayo mina nonkosikazi wami, lo esikhipha kuwo iy'mali zethu emaphaketheni ukuthi sifide noma siphakele abantu abanganalutho. Please guys, sifisa sengathi lo mlayezo ungafinyelela, lesicelo singafinyelela kubantu abakhonayo, noma bangasithengela noma bangasilethela, akunankinga. Iy'mpahla siyazidinga, ukudla siyakudinga, imali siyayidinga, but imali izongenelela uma kuwukuthi wena awukhoni ukuyosihlanganisela whatever esiyifunayo, ukuze thina sikwazi ukuyohlanganisa. Siyanicela bese siyanikhumbuza-ke futhi ukuthi ku-YouTube channel, just go there usearche Igugu Media, bese uma ungaka-subscribe usubscribe so that umsebenzi wokuqala esiwenzayo ungene kuwe. Bese uyalayikha, uyashera, la kufanele ukuthi khona ukhomente, nanoma ngayini ofuna ukuyazi sizokuphendula sikunikeze yona. Sithando sami, amazwi wokugcina bese sesivalelisa ababukeli emakhaya.
Amazwi okugcina ababukeli engizonishiya nawo ukuthi umuntu wakho umthande, umhloniphe, ubeke yena kuqala kukho konke. Ngoba at the end of the day, i-relationship and marriage, it's about the two of you. Ifamily yakho won't be there mawuyidinga, even the kids won't be there because sibalethile emhlabeni ukuthi baphile yabo impilo, nabo bazoba namakhosikazi wabo, babe nabayeni babo. At the end of the day, you're gonna need that partner, that husband, that wife. So gula in your sick bed, ungenamuntu ozokugeza, ungena anyone. So try by all means ukuthi umfazi wakho comes first, umyeni wakho comes first. Umndeni wakho uyazi ukuthi they can't disrespect your husband, they can't disrespect your wife because wena you put your wife first, you put your husband first because that's the only person that matters empilweni yakho, and that legal right leyo siyithole from God himself. Mayethi the two shall become one, not three, not four, not five, but one. Amen. Ngiyabonga-ke.
Siyabonga-ke babukeli emakhaya, siyathemba ukuthi nizosisapota, siyathemba ukuthi nizoba nathi sikhulise le channel sonke. Kuzo zona ley'namba, when you want us to come and share iy'ndaba ezinhle zey'thandani ebandleni lakho noma endaweni lapho uphila khona, sibhalele noma usendele just i-WhatsApp voice note of usibhalele ku-WhatsApp kuley'namba lezi engikunikeze zona, zizophinda ziqhubeke zivele ukuze wena ube nazo ukwazi ukukhulumisana nathi. Siyabonga bakithi, siyanithanda thandi ngendlela emangalisayo. Mina nonkosikazi wami sithi we love you.